My name's Kiya. I'm sure you wondered why your eye color is different from others. This is due to genetics and natural selection. Now, DNA is usually confused with genetics, while DNA is more of a blueprint for someone, and genetics are something that is passed down and not really consistent. So there was an article by M.M. Dawson talking about the idea that giraffes had shorter necks, but over time, when they had to reach their food, their necks grew so that they could reach it. So there's a gene called the MC1R gene that gives people freckles and red hair. Now, this gene is something that's kind of like, a chance that you might get it and a chance that you might not. And you can think of this as throwing a ball up in the air and there are 3 people trying to catch it. There would be a 33.3% chance that any of them would catch it. So it's kind of like that. It's like not really a pattern, you could say, but just if you get it, you get it. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Something that might give you the gene would be dominant and recessive genes. So say your dad had the MC1R gene, which is the freckles, then he might give it to you if he has the dominant gene. But then if your mom had the dominant gene of say blue eyes, then you might get blue eyes. Now there's always a chance that you could get both, because if you think about it as a chart, of R. So it's kind of like a multiplication table where you're just putting them together. So this is recessive, this is dominant. We've all wondered why our eyes are the way that they are. Thanks to Mendel's theory and Darwin's law of natural selection, all of this seems like a simple math equation.